what I do is I say a body is thrown up with a speed of 20 meter per second, right? A body is thrown up with a speed of 20 meter per second. You can take G equal to 10 meter per second square. The magnitude of G. So point 1, maximum height. 2, time taken to reach ground. So V is 0. No, it's not 0. Let's check it. I think almost all of you have got the answers. Now, the time that I asked, maximum height, I think all of you got it right. For maximum height, what is height at the highest point? V equal to 0. U is 20 meter per second. Acceleration due to gravity is minus 10 meter per second square. So for this part, what I can do, I can use V square minus U square equal to 2s, or I'll write H equal to V square minus U square by 2a. That is 0 minus 20 square by 2 into minus 10. So that is 20 meters. First part, right? Second part, time taken to reach ground. What is S? S equal to 0 when it is reaching down. So I'll use the expression S equal to ut plus half at square. Or that implies 0 equal to U is 20t plus half into minus 10t square. So from this, what will I get? I'll get t equal to 4 seconds. Second part. Third part, velocity with which the body hits ground. So what is the time taken? 4 seconds. So I'll use b equal to u plus 80. b equal to 20 plus minus 10 into 4. So what is b equal to? 20 minus 40. That is minus 20 meter per second. Now distance covered, 20 meters upwards and 20 meters downwards. So distance covered is how much? 40 meters. I hope it is clear. So this is 20 meters. This is 4 seconds. This is, how much is that? 20 minus 20 meter per second. So minus signifies it is moving downwards. Distance is 40. Just check it. All of you, is that fine? Bhumika, your 0 is wrong. I think other parts are correct. Time 4 seconds. Anushka, that's correct. I hope that is clear. So now let's go for a different question based on the same principle. I hope all of you could follow this, right? Tarun, what about you? Tarun and Anushka. Now what I do is, what we have done, we have thrown the body up in all these cases. Now the second case, what I do is I leave a body from the top of a tower. Right? So let's say I'll take a simple example. There is a tower whose height is 500 meters. I have a tower of height 500 meters. What do? I drop a body from the top of the tower. The question is, a body is 500 meter height. Find first one, time taken to reach ground. As usual, you can take magnitude of G to be 10 meter per second square. So here, what am I doing? Dropping. I'm dropping. Dropping means what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is 0. I'm dropping a body from the top of a tower. So you require to find the time taken by the body to reach ground. Okay, so how do we do this? What all things we know here? What is u equal to? U is 0. So what do I get? What else I know? I know S equal to how much? Minus 500. Why is minus 500? Because it is downwards. And after that, what else we have? Acceleration is how much? Minus 10 meter per second square. I need time. So which expression will I use? I'll use S equal to ut plus half at square. So S equal to ut plus half at square. So S is how much? S is minus 500 equal to 0 plus half into minus 10 t square. So I'll get minus 500 equal to minus 5t square. So t square equal to 100. That applies t equal to how much? 10 seconds. Now next one. Find velocity with which body hits ground. Minus 100, minus 100. Okay. So I think all of you got it right. So it should be how much? Minus 100 meter per second. Fine. So is that clear to all of you? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. If you don't have any doubt, let me create some doubts in your mind. Fine. Now what I do is I take another situation, that is I take a tower of 480 meters high and an object is thrown up with a speed of 20 meter per second, right? So what will happen? The body goes up and comes down like this. So a body is thrown up with a speed of 20 meter per second from top of a tower, from top of a 480 meters high tower. Yes, Sahas, it is always minus 10, right? So whatever we do here, acceleration due to gravity will always be minus 10 meter per second square. Not only here, always, because acceleration due to gravity is directed downward. So we don't have to mention it, Sahas. It is always done. Others. So let's see. There are quite a few ways in which we can do it. So one of the ways is what Arnav said. What he did is he found what is the final velocity using v square minus u square equal to s. Once he knows final velocity, he knows initial velocity, he found the time taken. Fine. So we'll do Arnav's way first. So what Arnav has done, what do we know? We know we use this formula. So what is it? V square minus u square equal to 2as. From this, what do I get? I need to find v square equal to u square plus 2as. So v square equal to u square is how much? 20 square plus 2 into a. A is how much? Minus 10. S is how much?
Minus 480.
Minus 480. So v square equal to how much? I have 20 square plus how much is that? I'll write it as 48.
So 9600.
20 square is 400. So v square equal to 10,000. So v equal to 100 meter per second. Fine. So I'll use the formula v equal to u plus 80. That is 100 equal to, what is it? 20 plus minus 10 into t. So I'll get, is that okay?
Sir, it is coming downwards.
So this is
U
minus
will
100.
be minus.
Yeah. So v would be minus 100. Why? Because it is coming downward. So from this, what will I get? I'll get 10t equal to 120, t equal to 12 seconds. Is that fine? This is one way of doing it. Other way of doing it is, what is displacement? Displacement is minus 480 meters. And u is, as usual, 20 meter per second. A is minus 10 meter per second square. Use the formula S equal to ut plus half at square. Minus 480 equal to 20t plus half into minus 10 into t square. So I have minus 480 equal to 20t minus 5t square. I can write it as 5t square minus 20t minus 480 equal to 0. So t minus 12 into t plus 8. So t equal to 2. Fine. I'm sorry. So I hope it's clear. So you can do it in either ways. Just check it. Is that clear to all of you?
So basically we used factorization in the last one.
Yes, we have used factorization in the factorization in the second one. Fine. Sorry. The second case, splitting the middle term.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yes, others, is that clear to all of you? Bhumika, Nimrita, Akshayani. Okay. Fine. So if you have any doubt, you can just.
Sir, can you explain the second part once again?
Okay. You just tell me which part exactly you have a doubt. Is it S? See, you understood what is the displacement? Displacement is separation between initial and final point, right? So what is the separation? Separation is 480 meters. And because it is coming down, it is minus 480 meters. U is how much? 20 meter per second upwards. So it is positive. And A is how much? Minus 10 meter per second square. Right?
Yes, sir.
Is that fine? Yeah. So taking that, we just solve this. I hope that's clear now.
Yes, sir, I got it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. So any other doubts to anyone? Well, so if you don't have any doubts, we'll stop the session here.